a greatest hits mashup, which basically means that we've got a number of different options for every day of all different exercises that we've done all year long here during this last trimester. So what you see here is our learning target for this week. It talks about how we're doing kind of a greatest hits since this is the last week before spring break. And then down here it says on Monday, Wednesday, Friday this week, we're going to use the second slide to pick 2 activities each day. So we click on this link, shows second slide, and now we've got some options for Monday's workout, some options for Wednesday's workout, and options for Friday's workout. So what we've got is Monday is just a greatest hits of video activities that we've done throughout these last couple of trimesters. And then on Wednesday, we've got my own homemade video options. And then on Friday, we have non-video activities. So when you click on this second slide link, then you can go through here. And for Monday's workout, you have any options of just some different videos that you can do for your workouts. And for 3 through 5 kids, we have 2. I'm asking you to do 2. Pick 2 of them to try. And then for our K through 2 kids, we're just asking for you to do 1. And then on Wednesday, we have some different options of some videos that I've made, homemade videos. And again, for 3 through 5, we're having you pick 2 to try. And then for K through 2, you could just try 1. And then for Friday's workout, we have all non-video type activities. So again, 3 through 5, you pick 2 of them. And K through 2, you pick 1 of them. So again, just kind of a greatest hits mashup for us this week, and we'll get into spring break next week. We'll hope everybody enjoys spring break, and then we'll come back with some new activities after spring break. So take care, and we'll talk to you later.